You too was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the MOGA PowerA XP5-X Plus gaming controller. I picked up this controller from the Walmart for about $55. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So boom, you know what I'm saying, we got the box. Alright, so this is what the box looks like on the front. This is what it looks like at the back, right? So here it just tells you what's inside this box or what it's capable of doing. So obviously there's a 3000 milliamp battery, power bank, mappable buttons. You don't really need to map the buttons from a lot of games. A lot of games are already mapped by itself. And then a detachable phone clip, also known as a phone mount. I don't know why they call it a clip. It's a phone mount, right? This is how, you know, the controller looks like. The phone, this is how the layout looks like, right? Xbox, certified, boom, designed by Xbox. And you can only play on Android. Unfortunately, excuse me, this controller is not compatible with iPhone. So iPhone users, you're gonna have to find another controller. Feel me? So yeah, let's go on the side right here. So you got the specs. Again, 3000 milliamp battery, Bluetooth, phone dimensions, system requirements, Android 6.0, Marshmallow or later. So basically any phone that's 6.0 or greater, you can use this controller, you know what I'm saying? Obviously it comes with the controller, phone clip, detachable, or phone clip, phone mount, whatever, same thing. Micro USB to standard USB cable, micro USB to USB type C cable, standard USB to USB type C, user manual that nobody reads, right? Again, Xbox designed for Android. Alright, boom, this is how it looks like. At the back there's some additional buttons. Phone charger, you can charge your phone and play at the same time, wired I mean. And obviously the phone mount. Alright, English, all these different languages. That's French actually, but yeah, Bluetooth, PowerA. The box kind of looks beat up because I already opened it, but whatever, man. Let's get into the box. So boom, this is the box. Open it up, put the box aside, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is what comes in the box. Also comes with the clip. I already took it out. So yeah, that's the clip. You know what I'm saying? User manual that again nobody really reads, but if you want to get familiar with the product, read it. I don't read it, but yeah. And then it comes with different cables, right? Different cables I was talking about. You see this, right? A longer cable as well. Some more cables. And some more cables. Alright. So boom. Controller actually comes like this. You know what I'm saying? Take this out. Put this to the side. Boom. Put this to the side as well. Look at this. This is the MOGA controller. Kind of dusty though. But yeah, this is the controller right here. Look at that beauty right here. Really clickable. You know what I'm saying? Boom. This is the controller right here by PowerA. Some more buttons in the back. This is where you connect your USB to your phone to charge it and to charge the controller itself. Right? This is how you pair it with your Bluetooth, right? They got the RB, RT, LB, LT, right? The analog sticks, the little pad right here, the Xbox controller in the middle. This is what you use to pair the device. You see it's flashing because it's not paired. Start, and I'm not really sure what this is, but yeah. And this is to flick it, turn it on, to pair it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the controller. Looks pretty nice. Feels pretty rugged. This is kind of like rubberized on the side right here, so this ain't falling in. You feel me? This ain't falling. You know what I'm saying? This ain't falling nowhere. You know? So yeah, that's the controller. Let's test it out. So boom, we got the controller right here with the phone on it. You know, right now it's not sturdy. You see that? It falls down like that. This is what I don't like about this controller. It don't pass the tech realism sturdy test right here. Okay, this thing, I don't know, this phone mount is very flimsy. You know what I'm saying? I don't even use the phone mount because it's actually not that sturdy. And also the thing is, look, when I put it on here, like so, right? Okay, do you see that? Do you see that at the back right there? There's like a huge gap right here. I don't know if you can see that. If it wants to focus, there's a huge gap. I got a problem with that. You see, if I'm putting any expensive phone on this thing, I want this thing to be holding it properly. You know what I'm saying? It's not holding it properly. So that's one thing I don't like about it. Another thing that I don't like about it, what I dislike about it, is that let me go into my settings, right? If I were to go to, hold on, the Bluetooth settings, right? Okay. Another thing that I don't like about this is that every time I go into Bluetooth settings, right? As you can see, the MOGA controller is already paired, right? But if I were to click on it, and if I were to turn it on, oh, it actually worked. That's crazy. It actually worked. Usually it doesn't work like that. Okay, I guess they fixed it with an update or something. I don't know what they did, but every time when I used to use it, it would not connect. You know, I would go and it would already be on my paired device, and I would click on it, it wouldn't connect. It would just keep on loading and loading and loading. But I guess it's working right now. But that's just something that you should be aware of. If that does happen, what you gotta do is you gotta unpair and then connect down here, pair, and then boom. And then it should connect. But yeah, that was one thing that I hated about this controller. But it seems like it's working right now. But yeah, let's get into the gameplay. So boom, YouTube, that's the video. You know what I'm saying? That's the MOGA XP5 Plus gaming controller that I picked up from Walmart. You know what I'm saying? A lot of positives. You know what I'm saying? A lot of positives coming from this controller. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta address the negatives as well. Number one, the Bluetooth issue that I keep running into. You know what I'm saying? That Bluetooth issue was annoying. It was annoying me for the longest time. You know what I'm saying? It was annoying me for the longest time. And also this phone mount right here. not sturdy. I would not put, like, for example, the latest and greatest Samsung S23 on this thing and this thing moving like that. It ain't happening. It's not happening. You know what I'm saying? But under that, the controller, I'll give it a solid 4.5. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I'll give it a 4. You know, again, reason being, Bluetooth issue that I've been having over and over and over again. In terms of the phone mount, it's not sturdy, and it leaves a huge gap in the back. I would not put an expensive phone on that thing. You know what I'm saying? For those reasons, 4.4 actually, 4 out of 5, not 4.5, 4 out of 5, right? But yeah, other than that, gameplay was good. You know what I'm saying? And you know, it comes with a lot of chargers and things like that, which is good. You know, cables, I mean. So it works with any Android device that you have. Ain't gonna be a problem. Even the old ones, it's not gonna be a problem. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can also charge it as you play as well. You know what I'm saying? That's always a plus. But yeah, YouTube, that's the video. That's the video. So like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. Listen, I appreciate each and one of you. You know what I'm saying? We were at 94 subscribers last week. Now, look at that. We are at 119 subscribers today. That's crazy. Love you guys, you feel me? Each and one of you. I love you guys. You know what I'm saying? You guys are contributing to this channel. You know what I'm saying? You guys are contributing to the channel. Very much appreciated. But yeah, again, subscribe to the channel. It's free. You know what I'm saying? If you got any comments, concerns, leave it down below. I try my best to respond to everybody's comments. You know what I'm saying? I try my best. Alright? So yeah, YouTube, we out. Peace.